When we talk about trees in the landscape in an animal setting, we're really talking about silvopasture. So trees amongst grasses, effectively.
This is a way of us being able to come up with some data, some actual real-time data from the UK, where we can prove the benefits of agroforestry and prove the benefits of silvopasture.
We came up with 3 models of planting design for the farmers to adapt to their own systems. One could be classed as highly clustered, the intention being that the mature woodland would provide shelter, like a shelter belt or a living barn for the animals. We had highly dispersed or regular planting, most of the farmers interpreted as alleys or aisles, and then we also created something which was somewhere in between, dispersed clusters, very much like you find in a wood pasture system that have developed naturally, where you have clusters of trees throughout the pasture.
The farmers were asked what was the important aspects of the trial in their opinion, and a lot of them said carbon, a lot of them said biodiversity, a lot of them said animal welfare. And so with the history of soil science that Rothamsted has, we took on the role of managing the assessments before the trees were planted and then into the future about how the trees have affected soil carbon.
Devon Silvopasture Group is one of the programs that Innovative Farmers runs. It's sort of the vehicle that the trials have managed to sort of unite through. I'm really excited about the benefits that silvopasture over time can deliver. And as a group, I think we're more than open to hosting visits and demonstrating the range of benefits and reasons why silvopasture, we think it is it is something for the future.
I see multiple benefits with this trial. To start with, it's really the learning how to put trees back into the fields. It's the accepting of the presence of trees in the field. And this has already happened. All of the farmers within the trial have adapted their behaviour, have adapted their systems to function well with these trees. Some are already talking about the real tangible benefits that they see even with immature trees. And that's really encouraging, putting the trees back where they belong. Moving forward, of course, all of the research is going to really help us understand how we can optimise those benefits for every system with the 3 different designs. And hopefully, when other farmers adopt this practice, we'll be able to bring some shortcuts, some good shortcuts, so they're not making those initial mistakes that we might be experiencing within this trial.